Hey everyone, welcome back to Shade Review. In today's video, we are comparing the folding Ray-Ban Aviator sunglasses against the folding Ray-Ban Wayfarer sunglasses. But first, I'll thank today's video sponsor, our own website, shadereviewstore.com, the absolute best place to buy designer sunglasses, up to 80% off the original MSRP. Again, our website there is shadereviewstore.com. Check it out. So the model number of the folding Aviator is the RB 3479 sunglasses, and then the model number of the folding Wayfarer is the RB 4105. So let's go ahead and pop both these sunglasses on face and see how they look. So both of them are going to fold out here at the center bridge, and then the temples are also going to easily fold out. And the temples here don't make any contact with the frame at their standard adjustment point. So here's what these look like, and these have 58mm lenses, and these are the standard size of these sunglasses. I don't believe that Ray-Ban ever made the folding Aviator in a larger or a smaller lens size, but I could be wrong about that. I just haven't seen a larger lens size. And then the folding Wayfarer here flips out the exact same here at the bridge. There's a hinge, and then the temples are also going to fold out. Again, they're not going to make contact with the front of the lenses, which is really nice. And these have 50mm lenses, and this is the standard size. I do know that Ray-Ban does make these in a larger lens size with 54mm lenses when it comes to these Wayfarer sunglasses. Both these sunglasses have all glass lenses, and the optical clarity of these is really good. They also are going to be relatively similar as far as weight goes. And as far as weight goes, these folding Wayfarer sunglasses come in at 35 grams, and the folding Aviator comes in at 32 grams, so a little bit more lightweight here with the Aviator sunglasses. Now, as far as build quality goes, these folding Aviator sunglasses are built really nicely. They're built just as good as the original Ray-Ban Aviators as far as the build quality and the materials go. But of course, the folding Aviator is a much harder to produce pair of frames with all these extra hinges here. And then when it comes to the folding Wayfarer, these frames are actually made out of a different material. I believe these are made out of an injected nylon material, so these are not made out of an acetate material. And we can also see that the style of these is quite different than the actual original Ray-Ban Wayfarer sunglasses. These are much more smoother than these original, so definitely some big differences between the original variant of the folding Wayfarer and the original variant of the Aviator. The folding version of the Aviator is much more true to the original, which I definitely do like a lot. However, I still do really like the styling of the folding Wayfarer here. Now, as far as logoing and labeling goes, we can see they both have a painted on Ray-Ban logo here in the top right corner of the lens. However, the folding Wayfarer has a recessed Ray-Ban logo here in the outside temple, and there's not going to be a logo here on the outside temple of the folding Aviator. The folding Aviator also have completely adjustable nose rests, which do have an etched RB logo there for authentication purposes on them, so you can completely adjust those to your liking and give them a custom fit to the face, where here with the folding Wayfarer, you don't have that. Now, both these frames are going to be made in Italy, and they're going to say that here in the inner right temple of the frame, they say Ray-Ban made in Italy. Now, both these sunglasses actually come with a special leather folding case, so we can see it is much smaller than the traditional Ray-Ban case, so you can easily fold up your sunglasses and then put that in your top pocket there. However, typically, I actually would rather just fold up the sunglasses and put them in my top pocket without using the case, because that case is relatively big and it's going to kind of leave a square imprint there on your top pocket. But here, if you just put the sunglasses in, it's much less noticeable, so I definitely do prefer doing that versus using the case. But it's kind of cool that it comes with a case regardless. Now, as far as pricing goes, these sunglasses are going to run you around $180 directly from Ray-Ban's website and in most stores. However, as of filming this video, Ray-Ban has discontinued the folding Aviator at the time being. I assume they're going to bring them back relatively soon. Maybe they're retooling or moving production. I really don't know, but they are not making the folding Aviator at the moment, but they're still making the folding Wayfarer. However, we do typically keep both of these available in stock on our website, so make sure to check out shadereviewstore.com for either a good price on a folding Wayfarer or a rare pair of folding Aviator sunglasses. But that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give me a big thumbs up down below, and of course, make sure to hit the subscribe button and then be notified every single time I upload a brand new video, just like this one, to our YouTube channel. Again, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you all in the next one.